Hey everyone! Today we are looking at how to change your WordPress URL fast. There are 4 quick ways to do this. First, the easiest method. Go to your admin dashboard, click Settings, then General. Update the WordPress address and site address fields, then hit Save. If those fields are grayed out, use method 2. Open your wp-config.php file via FTP. Add the define wp_home and wp_site URL lines with your new link and save it. Method 3 is a lifesaver if you are locked out. Open php-myadmin, click your database, and find the wp_options table. Double-click the site URL and home rows to type your new address. Just make sure to back up your site first. Finally, method 4 is using wp-cli if you prefer the command line. That's it. Drop a comment if you get stuck, and I'll see you in the next one.